Do y'all think the Dunkin' Donut is racist?
Ooh, I mean, I'm saying Dunkin' Donuts, they are really getting called out because this human rights group called them out about this advertising campaign, and it's running in Thailand. That's the thing. But it has a model whose face is like painted in black, but it's supposed to sell this chocolate donut called the charcoal donut.
You mean to tell me that wasn't Cheryl Underwood?
Oh!
Nah.
No, I ain't never seen Cheryl Underwood with no bun.
We are at the brink of war, and we are getting pissed off over a chocolate donut.
In this actual ad, y'all saw it for yourself. The woman is holding in this poster like a partially eaten donut, and the text next to it reads, "Break every rule of deliciousness." I personally, I wasn't offended, and they say that Thailand is known for having like racy type TV commercials.
But I think it's racist because they don't have black people in Thailand.
You know it
Who
would never
gives a
fly
damn?
there.
Reverend Al Sharpton is not going to get on a plane and go to Thailand and protest a damn charcoal donut. Are you serious?
But the chief executive of Dunkin' Donuts, I think he's getting a little fly. He should be apologetic and maybe say that they're not trying to offend anybody. But he said, quote, "This criticism is just paranoid American thinking."
The reason I don't have a problem with it because the donuts are sold in Thailand. But if those donuts were sold in Kenya, that'll be pushing it.
The charcoal donut in Kenya. I mean, yeah, that would not be good.
But you know they were still blatantly racist because look at the woman. She got red lipstick on, number one. That's indicating that she's a woman of not of color.
What do you mean? How does that indicate that she's a woman?
With that dark face, you wouldn't put no red lipstick on a woman.
Well, what color lipstick should she have on? If that's
She
really
should
her
have on
skin
red.
color.
Ebony, what color's your lipstick?